much for hosting me today at your office. I just wanted to quickly understand and wanted to hear from our customer also. How is ZappyVue transforming your Edutech business?
Okay. First of all, thank you, Yodis, for coming to one team. Coming on to ZappyVue, see, we use ZappyVue for two purposes basically.
Okay.
One is like, we use ZappyVue to help students and understand where they stand in terms of their technical abilities. So at one team, as you know, we are in the upskilling industry. We help students in getting training technology and getting their first IT job. So we offer training programs of duration of 6 months, I would say. In between 6 months, we are actually offering 3 or 4 rounds of technical interviews with the help of ZappyVue for our students. So these interviews will help the students in gaining where they stand, what they lack, what they need to prepare extra. That will give them a clear idea about what they need to work extra on. That's one thing. Second thing, one thing which we observe a lot is like, the fear of interviews for the students.
Oh, right. Yeah.
You might also have seen that. Students really are not that confident in attending interviews. So we help students in building confidence by making them attend interviews through ZappyVue.
Okay.
So after 2 or 3 interviews, we have seen the extra confidence in students in going out and attending interviews.
That's nice.
These are 2 major use cases which we use.
Thank you so much for your
Pleasure. Sure this.